Packing. It's the prelude to any great adventure. The moment we open our suitcases, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a trip around the globe, packing sets the stage for unforgettable experiences. It's about more than just clothes and toiletries. It's about anticipation and excitement for the journey ahead. Think of your suitcase as a treasure chest, and each item as a carefully chosen tool for exploration. Just as a seasoned explorer wouldn't embark on an expedition unprepared, we, as travelers, shouldn't either. Efficient packing is our secret weapon. It's about maximizing space while minimizing stress. It's about being prepared for the expected and embracing the unexpected. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets to packing like a pro. Before we delve into the art of packing light, let's start with the bedrock of any trip, the absolute essentials. These are the items that form the foundation of your travel experience, ensuring you are prepared for any situation. These are the items that should be on your packing list no matter where you're headed. They are the non-negotiables, the must-haves that you simply cannot afford to leave behind. Think of them as your travel companions, always there to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Without them, even the most well-planned trip can quickly turn into a stressful ordeal. First and foremost, your passport and any necessary visas are paramount. These documents are your ticket to exploring new destinations and experiencing different cultures. Keep them safe and easily accessible in a travel wallet or pouch. This not only protects them from damage, but also ensures you can quickly retrieve them when needed. Alongside these crucial documents, keep your driver's license or other forms of identification handy. They can be essential for various situations, from renting a car to checking into a hotel. You never know when you might need them. Next up, your wallet. It's not just about money. It's about having access to your financial resources and identification. Ensure it holds your credit cards, debit cards, and some local currency for those initial expenses upon arrival. Having a mix of payment options can save you from unexpected inconveniences. In today's connected world, your phone is your lifeline. Don't forget its charger. Your phone keeps you connected, informed, and entertained, making it an indispensable travel tool. And speaking of lifelines, a basic first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and any personal medications is crucial. It ensures you're prepared for minor injuries or health issues. Finally, stay hydrated on the go with a reusable water bottle. It's a small step with a big impact on both your well-being and the environment. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining your energy levels and overall health during your travels. By bringing a reusable water bottle, you also reduce plastic waste, making your trip more eco-friendly. Remember, these non-negotiables are the cornerstone of a successful and enjoyable journey. Now, let's talk strategy. The golden rule of savvy packing: pack light. It's about striking that perfect balance between having enough and being weighed down. Remember, every ounce counts, especially when you're navigating bustling airports or hopping on and off trains. Packing light isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about the freedom to move with ease, to be nimble and spontaneous. Imagine this: you're strolling through a charming European city, effortlessly weaving through cobblestone streets, your backpack feeling light as a feather. That's the beauty of packing light. But how do we achieve this packing nirvana? It starts with mindful planning. Before you even touch your suitcase, lay out everything you think you need. Then, challenge yourself to put half of it back. Trust me, you'll be surprised by how much you can do without. When it comes to clothing, versatility is your best friend. Choose neutral colors and pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. A pair of comfortable walking shoes can take you from exploring ancient ruins during the day to enjoying a nice dinner in the evening. Instead of packing bulky sweaters, opt for layers. A light cardigan can be easily added or removed depending on the weather, and it takes up far less space. And remember, you can always do laundry on the go if needed. Many accommodations offer laundry facilities, or you can find local laundromats. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is another game changer. Not only does it save space, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. Think of it as origami for your suitcase. Section 5. Tech-savvy traveler gadgets that enhance your journey. In today's digital age, gadgets have become indispensable travel companions, making our journeys smoother and more enjoyable. But fear not, we're not talking about packing your entire tech arsenal. Instead, focus on a few key items that can make a big difference. Just a few carefully chosen gadgets can significantly enhance your travel experience, making it more convenient and stress-free. First on the list is a portable charger. This handy device ensures that your electronics stay powered up throughout your trip. Imagine this. You're exploring a breathtaking national park, capturing stunning photos on your phone, when suddenly your battery icon flashes red. It's a traveler's worst nightmare. Disaster averted with a portable charger. Next up, noise-canceling headphones. These are essential for any tech-savvy traveler. These are a godsend on airplanes, trains, or even bustling city streets. They help you escape the noise and chaos around you. They create a peaceful audio oasis, allowing you to relax, enjoy your favorite music or podcasts, or simply tune out the world around you. It's like having your own personal sanctuary. Finally, a universal travel adapter is a must-have, especially if you're traveling internationally. Different countries have different power outlets. It ensures that you can charge your devices no matter what type of outlet you encounter. This small gadget can save you a lot of hassle. No more frantically searching for adapters at airport kiosks. With these gadgets, your journey will be more comfortable and enjoyable. Section 6. Packing Hacks, Space-Saving Secrets Revealed. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of packing space-saving hacks. These clever techniques will maximize every inch of your suitcase, leaving you amazed at how much you can fit in such a small space. Remember those empty spaces inside your shoes? Don't let them go to waste. Roll up socks, underwear, or even small, delicate items and tuck them inside. It's like a hidden compartment within a hidden compartment. Another trick is to use the bundling method. Instead of folding each item individually, lay them flat on top of each other, then roll them up tightly into a bundle. This not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. And don't underestimate the power of packing organizers. These small but mighty tools come in various shapes and sizes, designed to keep your belongings neat, tidy, and easily accessible. Section 7. The Power of Packing Cubes. Organization is your best friend. Speaking of packing organizers, let's give a special shout out to packing cubes. These zippered fabric containers are a game changer when it comes to packing like a pro. Think of them as miniature drawers for your suitcase. Packing cubes allow you to compartmentalize your belongings, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. No more rummaging through your entire suitcase to find that one elusive sock. You can designate a cube for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear and socks, and so on. Not only do packing cubes keep your suitcase organized, but they also help compress your clothes, maximizing space even further. And when you arrive at your destination, unpacking is a breeze. Simply lift the cubes out of your suitcase and place them directly into drawers or on shelves. It's like magic. Section 8. Don't forget yourself. The importance of personal items. Amidst the excitement of packing for a new adventure, it's easy to get caught up in the logistics and forget about the most important element, ourselves. We often focus on the essentials like clothes, gadgets, and travel documents. But what about the items that bring us comfort and joy? Packing isn't just about clothes and gadgets. It's also about bringing along those little comforts that make us feel at home wherever we are. These personal items can make a huge difference in how we experience our journey. Pack a familiar book to curl up with after a long day of exploring. A good book can be a great companion, offering a sense of familiarity and relaxation. Bring along your favorite travel journal and pen to jot down your thoughts and experiences. Documenting your journey can be a wonderful way to reflect and remember. Don't forget a small bag or pouch for toiletries and cosmetics. These items help you maintain your daily routine and feel fresh and comfortable. And here's a little secret. Pack a small, lightweight scarf or sarong. This versatile item can serve multiple purposes during your travels. It can serve as a versatile accessory, adding a pop of color to your outfit or providing warmth on a chilly evening. It's a simple addition that can enhance your travel experience. Plus, it can double as a makeshift pillow or eye mask on long flights or train rides. This small item can provide comfort in unexpected ways, making your journey more pleasant. Section 9. Last-minute checks, ensuring a smooth departure. As your departure date approaches, it's time for those final checks to ensure a smooth and stress-free start to your adventure. Double-check your passport and visa expiration dates. Make sure your phone is fully charged and that you have all necessary charging cables. Confirm your flight or train details and make sure you have your boarding pass easily accessible. If you're traveling internationally, notify your bank and credit card companies to prevent any issues with using your cards abroad. And here's a handy tip. Pack a small, reusable shopping bag in your carry-on luggage. It's perfect for carrying snacks or souvenirs, and it can also come in handy if you need to check in an extra bag at the airport. Section 10. Embrace the unexpected. Your well-packed adventure awaits. Congratulations, fellow traveler. You've mastered the art of packing like a pro. Your suitcase is a symphony of organization, a testament to your meticulous planning and savvy packing skills. Now, it's time to embrace the unknown and embark on your well-deserved adventure. Remember, travel is about more than just ticking off destinations on a list. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, connecting with people from all walks of life, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, go forth with an open heart, a curious mind, and a well-packed suitcase. Embrace the unexpected detours, for they often lead to the most rewarding experiences. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. And most importantly, savor every moment. The world is your oyster, and your adventure has only just begun. And there you have it, packing tips for the ultimate adventure. With these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently, stay organized, and be ready for whatever your travels throw at you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. What are your go-to packing tips? Let me know in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.